The Hindu exodus bogey in Kairana is kept alive by the BJP. The party legislator Sangeet Som proposed a rally from Kairana to Kandla, triggering fears of communal tension in the state. This even as the district administration report debunked the claim by BJP Member of Parliament Hukum Singh that Hindus have been forced out of Kairana town by fear induced by the minority community. The Shamli district has been put on high alert with Section 144 in force amidst simmering communal tensions stoked by politicians. Times Now correspondent Piyush Mishra joins us with this ground report.
Yes, absolutely. It's a bit too criminalized. Sangeet Som is a man who is also accused in Muzaffarnagar riots, and BJP top brass has not given any sort of permission to Sangeet Som for carrying out any kind of march. Even as the BJP is divided on this very issue, BJP had categorically raked up the issue of a mass exodus from the Kairana village of Uttar Pradesh, where Hukum Singh had claimed that at least 346 Hindu families were forced to migrate from the Kairana village, and now Sangeet Som, following this, had tried to carry out this march, which was Hukum Singh had also not accepted. Hukum Singh had also said that that if such marches are being carried out, then somewhere the law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh will be disturbed. But defying the orders from the BJP top brass, defying the statements that have been made by Hukum Singh, Sangeet Som categorically took out this march, and also also went against whatever the DM had also said, because the government, state government, district administration had also not given any permission to Sangeet Som for carrying out this march. But clearly this shows that Sangeet Som is back, and he is carrying out his own personal agenda as far as this whole Kairana incident is concerned, because he is raking up this issue just before Uttar Pradesh elections, which clearly says that he is now coming out with own personal agenda. Back to you.
उत्तर प्रदेश में जो भय का माहौल बना हुआ है और कैराना और बहुत जगहों से लोग पलायन कर रहे हैं, उत्तर प्रदेश छोड़ने पे सब लोग मजबूर हो गए हैं। इसलिए आज हमने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं ने मिलकर यहां से एक निर्भय यात्रा के रूप में यात्रा शुरू की है, जिससे लोगों के दिमाग से भय निकले और शांति सौहार्द बना रहे। उत्तर प्रदेश में उन्हें लगे कि हम महफूज हैं और हम यहाँ रहे। ये भय की ही राजनीति है। अब वो आप बाकी क्या समझ रहे हैं?
नकली नोटों से लेकर के जमीनों पर कब्जा से लेकर के क्या नहीं ये लोग कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं। जिला पंचायत के चुनाव हुए थे तब कितना पैसा लिया ये भी पता कर लेना। ये ऐसे लोग हैं, और बाहर से तो लगेंगे बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे, लेकिन अंदर से इनके मन देखिए, वही लोग सद्भाव को बिगाड़ना चाह रहे हैं किसी भी कीमत पर। उत्तर प्रदेश का सद्भाव अब नहीं बिगड़ने दिया जाएगा।
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.